Welcome to Valencia. So now we are entering into the 250 square yard unit of Villa Flow. So this is the sample unit of 250 square yard Villa Flow. This is the living room area. The dimensions are 13 by 15 feet 4.5 inches. Now you're seeing the dining area of this Villa Flow. The dimensions are 13 feet 6 inches by 16 feet 6 inches. So in the front you are seeing the puja area. Just adjoining the puja room we have this huge kitchen. The dimensions are 7 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 3 inches. Again, this is in a rectangular shape for the maximum efficiency. All our kitchen are based on the working triangle phenomena, which is in between the hob, sink and refrigerator for better efficiency of work inside the kitchen. We have dual bowl sink, multiple sockets for all the kitchen gadgets. We are providing with the wooden cabinets with round edges. So this is the utility balcony attached to the kitchen. It's a 4 feet balcony. We are providing with a drainage and a power socket here for your washing machine. So now we are entering into the master bedroom of this Villa Flow. This is 11 by 15 in size with attached balcony. We are providing French windows for maximum sunlight. This is the premium wooden flooring we are providing with the master bedroom. So this is the spacious washroom attached with the master bedroom. All premium fittings we are using. So this is the second bedroom of this Villa Flow. The size is 10 by 15. So the balcony is attached with this room as well. It's a very long running balcony. So this is the bathroom attached with this bedroom. So this is the third bedroom of this Villa Flow. With attached bathroom. And this is a common washroom which your guest can also use. So as all the rooms are attached with the balcony, this room also has a huge balcony. It's again a long running balcony. So we also have a servant room with attached bathroom in this Villa Flow. The entry for the servant room is from the outside of the apartment for the privacy concerns.
Like, subscribe and do share with your friends. Also click the bell icon for regular real estate updates.